You're on the Wesley Ellis YouTube channel.
Hi, buddy. Good boy. He's getting big. Okay, so today we're doing a fuel filter on this truck. And the windshield wipers on this one.
If you're excited to watch the windshield wipers and fuel filter, I am sorry to disappoint, but that is not what I'm about to do. I'm about to give a truck ride ramble on some going-ons in my life right now, and then I'm going to take the dog for a run this evening.
Okie dokie. I was talking to a very sweet old lady. Let me get things set up a little better. Let's just turn this down. Close this for now. So I was talking to a very sweet old lady, and she's had a life of, I can't say no difficulty, but a blessed life, and it hasn't been horrific. It's been very smooth in a way. She was born in 1949, so I don't think she'd seen much that's horrific. And she was trying to get me to understand this idea of we can just let go and everything will be okay. And I see it a lot in like mystic people. They're saying don't engage with violence, don't engage in these negative things. And on one hand, I think it's a great message. Like, there's certain things that you can't defeat with violence. Some things have to be leveled up and be from a level above, and violence is a pretty low level thing. But I think at the same time, might is right. So if we're choosing to be pacifists, we're choosing to be, so let's say everything has a yin-yang. So we're choosing this, let's say yin is light, yang is dark. I don't know if that's right, but it's always going to balance out, right? So if I am completely yin, I will have somebody that is completely yang to balance me out. And they will rule over me because I am not incorporating my yang within myself. So I need to incorporate the darkness within me so that I can be a whole person as well. And this goes to having no tyrants over me. Now, I don't need to be a tyrant to other people. Some people maybe. Fire with fire in a way. Gets dicey, I know, but really the idea, incorporate your shadow, incorporate your darkness. It was given to you for a reason. It is a part of you. If you deny it, you will be denying so much of yourself. That is your power. The fruitful darkness is all around us. Let's make it fruitful.
Well, hello there. I think in short, in this talk, she was really pushing me towards she really wanted me to release, and I can agree that I need to release more and rest. But I do think that it's justified pressure. Pressure is building. There is pressure in this world. And yes, I want to connect to my higher self, and yes, I want to be good wherever I'm at. But it seems like there's this push for mass innocence, mass ignorance, where maybe they're getting confused. Maybe people have them confused. I see so many, there's people saying you can't win this war with violence. And while I agree, I also disagree. That's what's going to be used against you. It's horrific. It's happened. They'll starve you. They will put you in gulags. these people are evil. Like, they're trying to grab hold of this world again right now. And it's scary being on the precipice. We have to incorporate our shadows, our egos as well. This is not to deny them, but to raise them, to grow them, so that one day they may be so light. This is you. You came here. Yes, you're half God, and that half is going back to Creator. If you want the you that you know, the you that you love, the you that you see to carry on as well, you have to build it up. You have to make that full connection within yourself. Both sides, balancing both the sun and the moon within yourself. Both the creation and the Creator within you. That is the danger that you are to this world. By to this world, I mean to the evil in this world. To everyone else, to me, family, baby. We're all one. We're supposed to be living here. This is supposed to be beautiful, harmonious. We're so capable of so much, and we can't seem to make it happen. That's Satan if I ever heard it right there. Working against the love, working against the light. So Satan is the anti-you. Satan is, if you are light, he is dark, and he's trying to pull you in to that dark side of the ego. He doesn't want your ego to attain enlightenment. So then you got Lucifer. Lucifer's his buddy, right? Lucifer is, you go get your fix, right? He's that Twinkie, that cinnamon toast crunch and some milk. You know what I mean? So he's the hit, he's the drink, he's the alcohol. He is that relationship where you go to seek light from outside of yourself. When you don't pull from your own internal source, because we aren't disciplined enough, because we don't know how, because it's been hidden, we're relying on these other outside sources, and they deteriorate, they destroy us. So then we need to become disciplined so that we can stay in connection with source, so that we can remember, so that we can know where we actually stand and when to stand. Everyone I see right now is so confused. It's confusing. Okay, the old smoke machine's up and running. You ready? Ready to run? I put some bad fuel in it, and now it's got some good fuel in it too, but it's burning off all the bad fuel. So hopefully by the end, we'll be good. Let's see how we make this corner though. No gas. Yep. Come on, load up.
Come here. Here. Good boy. Good boy, buddy. Yeah. Is that collar? That's okay. Yeah. 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 Ah. Ah. Big dog. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah, yeah. Come on, load up.